Hi, my name is Audrey and I'm a rising sophomore at Lindbergh High School, and my project is smile detection with OpenCV and Python. So for my first and second milestones, I finished the program, and for my second milestone, I made some changes. For my third milestone, like the first decision that I made was I said before that I would incorporate like using the smiling eye part and training my own hard cascade, but because I didn't have the proper resources, like for example, ImageNet wasn't working and also I didn't have a webcam, I chose to cut that part out and then skip directly to connecting the code to a Raspberry Pi. So I have a Raspberry Pi and then I connected it to my computer, and I had to download OBS, which is a really important part because without that, my computer wouldn't have a monitor and therefore it wouldn't be able to show like the interface. So after I transferred all my code over to my monitor, I had to re-download OpenCV and NumPy. And for my first milestone, this was one of the hard parts that I experienced. And it was like even harder for my third milestone because it took 1.5 to 2 hours to download OpenCV. And I had to download it like 7 to 8 times before it actually worked. I got errors, for example, like you couldn't build the wheels, which means that the two softwares weren't compatible. And also the PEP 517, it wasn't installed. So after I updated like all my software, it finally downloaded. And then after that, I made sure that it worked. And then the next step was basically connecting the Pi camera to my code because right now it will pull the monitor's camera instead of the Pi camera. And I wanted to make this a handheld device. So I basically connected the Pi camera to my computer through line commands. And then after that, I made a few quick changes to the code, just like some syntax things to call this instead of my computer camera. And yeah, so what I'm planning to do next is CAD my case. So this is gonna be in the case and then probably a breadboard because I'm gonna have an LED connected to the Raspberry Pi so that if it detects a smile, then there'll be like a green light that lights up.